Welcome to a world where indoor fun knows no bounds. Introducing our premier indoor games collection featuring chess, carrom, and table tennis, the trifecta of excitement for all ages. Crafted with precision and quality in mind, our products redefine the standards of indoor gaming. Dive into the timeless strategic battles of chess, where every move counts and every decision shapes the outcome. With our meticulously crafted chess set, enjoy the thrill of outsmarting your opponent in a game that transcends time. Next up, experience the thrill of Carrom, a game that brings families and friends together for endless moments of laughter and competition. Our Carrom board boasts unparalleled smoothness, ensuring every strike of the striker is met with precision and accuracy. But wait, there's more. Table tennis enthusiasts, get ready to elevate your game to new heights. Our table tennis setup promises exhilarating matches with its top-notch quality and seamless playability. Whether you're a casual player or a seasoned pro, our table delivers the perfect surface for intense rallies and lightning-fast serves. Each game comes with a sturdy stand, allowing you to set up your gaming arena anywhere with ease. Whether it's a family gathering, a friendly competition with friends, or a leisurely afternoon, our games are always ready to entertain. So, why wait? Bring the excitement of chess, carrom, and table tennis into your home today with our premium indoor games collection. Elevate your indoor entertainment experience and create unforgettable memories with loved ones. Transform your indoor space into a hub of excitement and laughter with our chess, carrom, and table tennis set. Order yours now and let the games begin.